Okay.
Alright guys, we're Nicklecat.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. This is where I grew up. You would think that I could give a fuck. And this is where I went to school. I'm a broken down a dozen rules. And I'm showed up. And give a fuck. This is where I had sex. There's lots of things I didn't test. Like if I had HIV, it's better than her, not me. Oh, see, I know every camera inside has a back door. Every photo of the bed on the bedroom floor. It's hard to say, it's time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Every photo of the bed on the bedroom. Every photo of the bed on the bedroom floor. It's hard to say, it's time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh.
Alright.
You guys like dudes.